If you want to make your Prezi presentation more dynamic, more engaging, and a lot more professional, one of the best things you can do is embed media directly into your canvas. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed in Prezi step by step, including how to add YouTube or Vimeo videos, how to insert images and GIFs, and how to embed PDFs into your presentation layout. This is a great way to turn a simple presentation into something much more interactive and visually impressive. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Prezi presentation and make sure you are inside the editor. Once you're in the main workspace, look at the top toolbar. This is where you'll find the tools you need to add different types of content to your presentation. To embed a video, go to Insert, then click Video. This is the option you will use if you want to place a live web video directly into your Prezi layout. After you click Video, Prezi will open a right-hand sidebar. In that sidebar, you'll see a field where you can paste your video URL. This can be a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, or a Teddy video link, depending on what you want to add. Just copy the full URL from the video source, come back to Prezi, and paste it into the box. Once the link is in place, click Insert. Prezi will then place the interactive video player directly onto your canvas. This is really useful because the video becomes part of your presentation flow instead of just being a separate link. You can reposition it, resize it, and make it fit naturally into your design. If you're teaching, pitching, or presenting a product, embedding a video like this can help keep your audience engaged without sending them away from the presentation. Now, let's look at how to embed images and GIFs in Prezi. To do this, again go to the top toolbar and choose Insert, then click Image. This time, Prezi gives you a couple of different ways to bring in visuals. You can upload local files from your computer, or you can search the built-in Unsplash and Giphy libraries if you want something quick and polished. If you already have an image saved on your device, upload it directly and place it into your frame. If you want something more creative, try searching Unsplash for high-quality photos or Giphy for animated GIFs. GIFs are especially useful when you want to add motion, emphasize a point, or make your presentation feel a little more modern and fun. Once the image or GIF is selected, Prezi will insert it into your canvas, and you can adjust the size and position just like any other element. Next, let's embed PDFs. This is a very useful feature if you want to include reports, handouts, documents, or multi-page reference material in your presentation. To do that, click Insert, then choose PDF. Upload your multi-page document and Prezi will automatically embed each page as an independent high-resolution zoom frame on your canvas map. That means each page of the PDF becomes part of your presentation structure, which is perfect for detailed walkthroughs or document reviews. You can zoom into different pages, organize them across your presentation path, and use them as supporting content without needing to leave Prezi. It's one of the easiest ways to keep everything in one place while still presenting rich, detailed information. As you use these embedding options, keep your layout clean and intentional. Don't overload your canvas with too many media elements at once. Instead, place videos, images, GIFs, and PDFs where they support your message best. A well-placed embedded item can make your presentation stronger, clearer, and much more memorable. So, to quickly recap, use Insert, then Video to embed YouTube, Vimeo, or Teddy videos. Use Insert, then Image to add photos or GIFs from your computer, Unsplash or Giphy. And use Insert, then PDF to bring in multi-page documents as zoomable frames. Once you get comfortable with these tools, you'll be able to build much more interactive presentations in Prezi with just a few clicks. If this video helped you learn how to embed in Prezi, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.